I'm Ivonne Roberts. I'm an AWS serverless hero, and I work as a software architect at Bill.
Hi, I'm Tish. I am a security engineer, super new to tech and the industry. I am also a AWS community builder. Nice to meet you. Happy to be here.
I would love if you could tell me a little bit about yourself.
I'm from Trinidad and Tobago. I kind of ended up just getting a degree in aircraft operations. I was a parent. My daughter became sick. We packed up everything and went back home. By doing so, it made me try to find resources again to be able to fly back and forth. And that's when I decided to become a flight attendant so that I can get free flight. I was window shopping my life away in tears one day, and a little ad popped up that said cybersecurity. That was it.
Nice.
It said cybersecurity.
And that got you curious.
When I read what cybersecurity was, I translated it in my Trini ways. Oh, you get paid to be as nosy as possible.
Yes.
You get paid to dig and find and know everything.
And figure out how to break everything and figure out what is broken, what are the back doors and all of that.
And that's where the Trini pod comes in, because you going and pay me to Mako. Mako in Trinidad is basically being a nosy Karen, like knocking on your door, what's there, what's going on. Someone pointed me in the direction of a school called Per Scholars. Per Scholars is a non-for-profit organization.
Okay.
And you go through a rigorous screening process with them. But they're accredited, they're well known, and the best part of all, it was free. So I enrolled in a CISA boot camp for 4 months. And that began my incredible journey. I do love working at Postman. They found me and they said, hey, we want you to come work for us. We're building out a new security team. And if you want to do incident response and threat detection, we'd love to have you on board.
What would you say to somebody else who's starting out new?
Go to the tools website. You want to learn Splunk. Splunk is free. Why are you paying $3,500 to learn Splunk? Go to the Splunk website. It's free. And a lot of people, you equate it back to school all over again. You have to pay to go to school. But tech is different. Tech is, you actually don't have to pay. You might pay for your certificate.
Yes.
But the learning is free. The webinars are free. Reach out to people. Everybody loves to talk about what they do. Look at me. I love to talk about security. So Ivonne, tell me about you. What's your journey been like?
Yeah, so I have been in tech now for about 15 years. It's been a while. I did, however, start out in art. So I did digital media. As somebody who has been in tech for so long, we would SH into computers, into Linux environments, and run a set of commands. We don't really have to do that anymore. We can use serverless. We can use all these building blocks that AWS gives us to create some really cool software, some really cool websites. And I love change. I love being challenged. I love learning new things.
Awesome.
I feel that I like the way the industry is headed, in that we're taking the things that were painful for us and we're finding solutions to hide that, to abstract it. I mean, frankly, that's what serverless is.
Absolutely.
All of the things that existed 15 years ago to a certain extent still exist. And I really like how tech has kind of solved a lot of those problems and made it easier for people to get into tech and to learn and to start basic and then get deeper and deeper.
What has life been like for you, being one, I would say, in a minority group, being Black or being Latin, and being a woman in tech for that series of years?
I think a lot of times we have to work, unfortunately, harder.
Yep.
We have to make sure all of our T's are crossed, all of our I's are dotted, which is unfortunate. I do feel like the industry has changed a lot over the years. I think having our faces out and showing people that look like us that you can do this is beautiful. We have to show that publicly so that little girls and little boys can, see, that look like us, that see, oh, look, they did all of these things. I can do that too.
And they're still here. There's room for anybody and everybody in tech. You can do it. If I can do it, you can do it.
I love that. That is gorgeous.